Hi guys, um, how are you guys doing? Sorry for not posting any new videos. I've been away from YouTube for over a year, just been busy with life, I guess. Anyways, just want to try something different. I've been shuffling those papers, making these lessons, and just want to save a tree and try something new. So let's begin. Lesson 31, numbers 20 to 30. 20, mapai, 20, mapai, 20, mapai. 21, mapai moi, 21, mapai moi, 21, mapai moi, 21, mapai moi. 22, mapai b, 22, mapai b, 22, mapai b. 23, mapai bay, 23, mapai bay, 23, mapai bay. 24, mapai buồn, 24, mapai buồn, 24, mapai buồn. 25, mapai pram, 25, mapai pram, 25, mapai pram. 26, mapai pramoi, 26, mapai pramoi. 27, mapai prampi, 27, mapai prampi, 27, mapai prampi. 28, mapai prambai, 28, mapai prambai, 28, mapai prambai. 29, mapai pram buồn, 29, mapai pram buồn, 29, mapai pram buồn, 29, mapai pram buồn. And finally, 30, sam sup, 30, sam sup, 30, sam sup. Alright guys, y'all ready for this? Let's count in Khmer only, okay? Okay, ready, right? Okay, here we go. Mapai, mapai moi, mapai bi, mapai bay, mapai buồn, mapai pram, mapai pramoi, mapai prampi, mapai prambai, mapai prambuồn, and finally, thumbs up. Well, that's the end of lesson 31. I hope you guys enjoyed the lesson and the new way I'm teaching it. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so you can get new notification when I post a new video. Thank you. Thank you for your support. Bye.